Now we're transitioning to the content section of the presentation. Here you quickly state the first secret. Next, you will tell your second epiphany bridge story, which will kill the #1 false belief they have about the new opportunity that you're presenting. So you show some results that ordinary people have gotten from your vehicle. So it's time to break any other core beliefs they might have related to the vehicle. Finally, you're going to restate the secret as an undeniable truth. The old belief pattern has been shattered and you've installed a new one. Once you've gone through these steps for the first secret, go back and repeat steps 10 through 14 for the other 2 secrets. That's going to be the majority of your webinar content. The transition to selling. As I start to move from the content section to the stack and the closes, I use a few techniques to cement the new concepts into their minds and make a simple, non-stressful transition to the selling section of the presentation. The first transition question will help you to gauge whether they are sold. Now it's time to start the actual sales section of the webinar. It's time to reveal what you have to offer. If you follow the script up to this point, and you can introduce your offer. This transition helps you recap everything you've said in the webinar up to that point and once again set those new belief patterns in place. Once you transition into your sales pitch, you're going to use one of my favorite techniques, the stack.